In this video, I'm going to show you how to find spam emails on Gmail. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Sometimes when you got new email from unknown recipient, and also when for some reason the letter that you got seems suspicious for Google, it can be moved into spam. And now let me show you how you can find the letters. That's quite simple. All you have to do is hit there at 3 lines icon once you are on Gmail app. And here just hit add spam, and there will be all letters that is marked as spam. You can look at them, and if some letter moved here accidentally and it's not actually the spam, you can just hold down on that letter, then hit at these 3 dots icon, and there hit add not spam, and it has been removed from here, as you see, and it moved to your primary emails, actually in your inbox emails. And also you can go out of here to your primary or any other category, and here if you got unwanted emails, you can hold down on that email, hit at 3 dots, and there select report spam to move that email to spam. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.